If you're looking to create compelling and engaging storytelling ads quickly and easily, AdCreative AI is the tool you need. In today's video, I'll show you how this platform can help you craft high-performing ads with the power of AI without spending hours brainstorming or designing. AdCreative AI is built to help marketers like you create ads that stand out and engage your audience from the get-go. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or someone just starting out, this software simplifies ad creation, using artificial intelligence to generate creative and compelling copy, visuals, and layouts that resonate with your target audience. What makes AdCreative AI so powerful is that it uses machine learning to analyze massive amounts of data. This means the software can predict which ad elements will drive conversions based on your specific audience. It doesn't just suggest generic templates, it learns from the best performing ads across the internet and customizes the content specifically for your business or product. When you first log in, you're presented with a simple interface where you can input key details about your product, service, or campaign goals. This information feeds into the AI, which then generates ad concepts that blend great design with strategic storytelling. You don't have to be a designer or copywriter to create engaging, high-converting ads. The AI does the heavy lifting, saving you time and resources. One of the best features of AdCreative AI is the storytelling approach it uses. Ads are not just about selling a product. They're about telling a story that connects with the viewer. The AI suggests ways to frame your message in a way that speaks to the emotions and needs of your audience. From there, it takes the most effective language and visuals to craft a seamless narrative that feels personal and persuasive. Another powerful aspect is the ability to split test ads. Once you've generated a few different versions, AdCreative AI allows you to A/B test them to see which version resonates most with your audience. This testing is automatic, and the AI will continuously learn and optimize your ads based on the results. So how do you get started? The best part is you can use AdCreative AI completely free by clicking the first link below. Not only do you get access to the software, but you'll also receive exclusive bonuses that can take your ad creation to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage AdCreative AI's unique storytelling capabilities to create ads that aren't just seen, but remembered. Stay tuned, because in just a moment, I'll walk you through how to set up your first campaign in minutes and how you can maximize its effectiveness with the platform's intelligent features. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video, where I'll tell you about an exclusive extended free trial available only through this link. It's an incredible deal, and you won't want to miss it. To recap, AdCreative AI is your shortcut to high-converting, engaging storytelling ads that don't take up all your time. Thanks to AI, you can create ads that capture attention, speak to your audience's emotions, and ultimately drive results, all without a steep learning curve.